Hello and welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and in this video I'm going to show you how to make soft and creamy paneer at home. I've heard from so many people that their paneer cubes just fall apart in curry. It turns out very crumbly and not creamy at all. Well, here I am to share my recipe of homemade paneer. To make paneer, I have 1 gallon of vitamin D, whole milk, which is regular milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/3 cup of lemon juice. Or you can also use 1/3 cup of vinegar. There is a secret ingredient I use, so stay with me throughout the video to find out what that ingredient is. In a pot, empty out a gallon of milk. Turn up the flame to medium. I'm going to use a spatula to stir the milk. While the milk is heating up, I wanted to show you what I use to strain paneer. I have this towel which I use only to make paneer. I would recommend to use this kind of kitchen towel to strain paneer or use a muslin cloth. And this colander or strainer which has bigger holes to help strain out faster. Spread the towel onto the strainer like this. And for the heavy thing or weight to put on top, I have a pot filled with water. You can use any heavy item that you have in the kitchen to help set paneer. Occasionally stir milk so it doesn't stick at the bottom of the pot. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out new videos I post. Keep the flame to medium throughout the process of boiling milk. As you can see that the milk foam has started to build up. And so at this point, I'm going to add salt. Now stir milk. Just about a teaspoon of salt is enough. You can also add green chilies, crushed black peppers, cumin, or red crushed pepper if you want to make flavorful paneer. I always make regular paneer because I use paneer in most of North Indian dishes I make at home, like Palak Paneer and Paneer Tikka Masala, which you can check out those recipe videos on my channel. The link is in the description box. But if I'm using paneer in some fusion wraps, I would add some green chilies and cumin in paneer. In about 5 minutes after adding salt, you can see that the milk foam has quite built up on top. Now this is the time to add the secret ingredient that I use to make paneer at home. So here's the trick. I use 1 cup of heavy cream. This will give paneer nice creamy texture like store-bought paneer. So add that and stir milk. Set up the colander and towel in a place to strain out whey. I always set them in the sink, which is the easy way to strain when you're making paneer from a gallon of milk. You can see that the milk has started to boil. I'll turn the flame to low. Add 1/3 cup of lemon juice and lightly stir. I always use lemon juice instead of vinegar because I feel like vinegar has really strong taste, so lemon juice works best for me. Then turn off the flame and let it sit for just about a minute. Then separate paneer from whey. If you are straining paneer in the sink, keep the cold tap water running and be careful when you strain paneer because it is going to be really hot. Take few seconds break if needed. You can save whey. This is highly nutritious. Because I don't have any plans to use this in the following days, I'm not going to save it. But whey is highly nutritious and you can use in making rotis or parathas. Use a spatula to strain out remaining whey. Pour some cold water on top of paneer to remove the acidic taste, or if you're using vinegar, pour cold water to help remove the vinegar taste. And this will help set paneer soft and will form nice cubes, which will not fall apart and won't be crumbly. Using the ends of the towel, wrap and roll paneer to help remove excess water. And be careful because the towel will be hot. There is another tip that I want to share out with you. Open the towel and cover paneer properly and place the heavy pot on top of paneer to set. Here's the second tip. Let paneer set for at least 3 hours. After 3 hours, open the towel and remove the paneer block. I cut paneer into cubes and then freeze it so it's ready to use when I make any paneer dishes. Paneer cubes takes less time to defreeze. You can freeze the whole block of paneer, just the defreeze time will vary. You can see how nice the paneer cubes have turned out. Don't forget to check my Palak Paneer and Paneer Tikka Masala recipes. The link is in the description box. Hope you like this paneer recipe and do give it a try. Do subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.